Struggling with Windows 11 or 10 not recognizing your iPhone, iPad or iPod? Don't worry, we have got the solution. In this video, we will guide you through easy troubleshooting steps to get your devices communicating flawlessly. Watch now to sync your Apple devices hassle-free. To fix Windows 11 or 10 not recognizing your iPhone, iPad or iPod, Step 1. Ensure that your iOS device is unlocked and on the home screen. Step 2. Use a genuine and functional USB cable for the connection. Step 3. Connect your device to a different USB port on your PC. Step 4. Restart your Windows PC and your iOS device. Step 5. Update iTunes if you have it installed, or install the latest version of Apple mobile device support. Step 6. Check for Windows updates and install any pending updates. Step 7. Trust the computer on your iOS device when prompted. Step 8. Check the device manager on your PC for any unrecognized or problematic USB devices and try to update or reinstall drivers if necessary. Step 9. Disable any third-party security software or firewalls temporarily, as they can sometimes interfere with the connection. Step 10. If the issue persists, consider resetting the location and privacy settings on your iOS device. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset Location and Privacy. After trying these steps, your Windows PC should recognize your iOS device, and you should be able to access it through iTunes or Windows Explorer.